Okay, now we're removing the front end bell. So we're going to take a hammer and we're going to tap the end bell carefully as we spin it a little bit, okay? So we're going to give it a couple good jars, but at the same time we're going to push it out and spin it as we're doing it. And you're going to see it separate from the bearing. Ready? Here we go. Okay, you can see now that bearing is starting to come out. See that? And there you go. Now, you don't have to hit it that hard, but there you go. Your end bell is obviously off. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put your socket on there, just like so, and then we're going to use the same thing with the bearing puller. Okay, we're going to get our bearing puller. We're going to loosen the center shaft like we had shown you before. Okay, and then we're going to loosen out the outer casing, and then we're going to put the bearing puller on the front of this bearing. Okay, and then we're going to remove the front bearing. Okay, and then after this, we're going to show you how to reinstall the bearings. So you want to loosen it up, remember, right, just like so, put it in there, right behind the bearing, tighten your center shaft, just like this, okay, so your center shaft is tight, okay, and then I'm going to tighten my outside collar for the bearing, and then I'm just like I showed you before, I'm just going to tighten my shaft now and remove this front bearing. And then when we come back, I'm going to show you how to install the bearings on the shaft, and then obviously we're going to put the pump back together. All right, there you go. So now I'm just going to remove this bearing, and then when I come back, I'm going to show you how to install the bearings. All right, there you go.